Hi, it's Steffi. Welcome back to my channel. I am doing the Valentine's Day cookie cutters now. There will be a lot of duplicates in here, and let me rephrase or re-explain because not everybody will have seen the other videos or have watched the whole videos. When I buy cookie cutters, it's usually in a bag of mixed cookie cutters. So I've gotten 3 bags with this one in it. I gave one to our granddaughter yesterday. I don't buy duplicates on purpose. I buy a bag because there's several I don't have. And if the bag's cheap enough and it's worth the cookie cutters I don't have, I buy it. Now, when I get over to the new house, because we're in the process of moving, that's why I'm packing these, I will pick out the sets. Like this one's here, a set. 4 different cookie cutters that all go together. And I'll put those in individual bags, and I'll pull out the duplicates that I have. And at that point, I will have a box of duplicates I'll let my daughters and granddaughters and sons go through and see if there's any they want. And whatever's left I will sell online. But that won't happen probably for a while. You can see I've used this one before. I've stamped with it. Now the ones I have ink on them I do not use for cookies. That's cute, huh? Most of them, I like this one because it's kind of, I'm going to move you over here. It's easier to show as I drop them in. This is a Cupid, which is kind of fun. I know YouTube's going to give me some ugly choices for a thumbnail, so I'm trying to get you to where it's pretty, so if they do give me a thumbnail, it's something you'll want to see, so I might just have to keep it in here. I like these, but these are hard to do as a ornament because you have to cut each and every one of those little things, and I don't want to do that. So I tend to use the smoother ones like that. This one might be boring, but it's all hearts. And there's a few different ones. Now here's another set like that, but it's missing one. Here are lips. This one's pretty. Again, for cookies, these are really nice, but this is what I see, and I wouldn't want to cut this. I might cut these little scallops, but probably not. Another one that goes with one of those sets. This one's interesting. I don't exactly understand why it's made the way it is. Maybe one of you guys can tell me. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is a press, a cookie cutter press type thing. And I showed one in an earlier video that was a thistle. And this one I bought online because I thought it was gorgeous. I think there might be a couple with it, but it might be by itself. But that one's stunning. And again, that one will be a pain, and I would only use this for cookies. Probably shortbread. That's what I bought the thistle one for. And so a lot of them, like here's double hearts. Another one of the, now that one's got a different bottom on it. It's got the squared off bottom. I like this type of heart here. Hold on, let me keep you in there. I'm trying to aim them into these 2 plastic bags I